So, here's my buddy Amos's motorcycle. Hey Amos. Yeah, see, he's in the video now. He does not want to speak or tell us about the bike. Now, as you can see, it's a pretty bike. Oh no. But the cool thing is that this ain't a paint job. Well, I wouldn't consider it a paint job personally, because it is a vinyl wrap. Look. It's actually peeling up here. Wasn't a very good job, was it? No. And it's coming up around the tank. This cap is letting gas go under it. Well, as you can see, it's peeling up. We might actually, if Amos keeps it, I might actually paint this bike over for him. Redo it. Take all this vinyl decal stuff off. I do gotta say, this is the first tank I actually ever come across that's been vinyl wrapped on a motorcycle. My first one. I've seen other stuff vinyl wrapped, but never this much real estate that can actually on bond, you know, especially in a gas tank. It's not like vinyl wrapping a whole car. You ain't got all this, the gas can get under it and all them problems. But, you know, who am I to say? Then we got this seat. The seat is actually nice. I actually would like to have a seat like this for my bike, which is over there. And this is vinyl wrapped too. Now this is badass though. I gotta give that. That scoop is badass. I ain't sure if these is vinyl wrapped or not. They actually look painted. Actually, got a little bit of orange peel on it. But, I don't know why it does or doesn't nib. Now this guy ain't vinyl wrapped. This guy actually seems to be painted, but it could be powder coated. So, it looks awful good. I actually like how that turned out. Okay, never mind. It's not powder coated. Just been painted. There's a little chip in it. But all in all, it's a pretty good bike. Amos got a great deal on it, didn't you, Amos? Mm-hmm. So, the way it sets, if you didn't net pick at it, it's a nice old bike. Very nice. Start it up, Amos. Might as well. Let the people hear the bike. But hopefully Amos keeps it long enough that we be doing a few videos on it. Hopefully, if he keeps it. So we shall see in the future. You need to keep it, Amos. But we shall see. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it if you do. And more videos to come. See you next time.